Now I'm going to show you how different brushes make different strokes. There are all different kinds of brushes. You can literally go to an art store and get probably really overwhelmed, because I do, looking at all the different brushes. So I picked out a few of my favorites that I use regularly to show you the differences in paintbrushes and how they can affect the way that your painting looks. So I'm going to start off with this flat brush. This is a great standard brush to have. It is called a flat brush, and this is a size 14, but all the brush sizes vary from brand to brand, so that doesn't really matter. This is a Da Vinci. Great brush. It has this flat top up here, and this is what it looks like from the side, and there you go. So I'm going to show you the different marks that this brush can make. Okay. I missed my palette. So this can make a nice thick line, which you can see I didn't mix my paint very well. And this is an example of what happens when you don't mix your paint very well. You're gonna have like darker parts and lighter parts, which if that's what you wanna go for, that's great. I wasn't intending on that, so that wasn't really what I was going for. So you just, to fix it, just mix it and be sure that you're turning your brush, like I said earlier, over and over so it mixes really well. So that's a thick line you can get. You can also get a nice thin line, and it can do great little short marks like this. And I want you to notice the flat top on all of these marks. So these are going to be very straight and squared off. A flat brush is definitely one you should have in your everyday arsenal of brushes, because it's just a really nice brush overall to have. All right, so now I am using my Filbert, which I love my Filbert brushes. And this has a nice round shape to it. And it can also get a really nice thin line. This also does really nice, like you can see these little short marks like this. You can see they're rounded at the top. So they're going to be just really nice, rounded. You can get these little half moon marks. Very nice. I love Filberts. And it's kind of like the flat brush because it just kind of feels very similar, but you've got that rounded edge, which is how it's pretty different. Next, I'm going to use this round brush. This is a great versatile brush to have. I actually use round brushes a lot when I'm painting with watercolor. They come in all different kinds. Like you can get, look at the variety here of round brushes. Very different. This brush and this brush are very soft, and they're great for watercolor, covering big surface areas and just really nice soft brushes. The one that I'm using today is stiffer, and I like that particularly for acrylic paint, not so much watercolor. But this is a great brush, and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so this is its thick line, which all these brushes, just so you know, come in different different sizes. So this is just a variety. I've got tons of brushes, but this is just kind of a variety to show you all the different options. Makes a thin line, and this is its short stroke.